Hey everybody, I'm Jordan, Senior Product Manager here at Quo, and I'm part of the team that built today's release, Tasks. I want to show you how it works because I think a lot of you are going to get some real use out of it, because the way you're tracking tasks from conversations right now, it's probably eating a lot more time than you realize. So here we go. I'm in a conversation with a customer. They've asked me to follow up. I hover over that activity and I click the task button. From there, I type out what needs to happen, assign it to my colleague who handles fulfillment, I set a due date, and that's it. The task is live, tied to that exact moment in the conversation, and my colleague gets notified right away. You can also add a task right from the side panel if it's not tied to any specific call or message. Over in the Tasks tab, which sits right next to Chats and Calls, every task across this inbox rolls up into one view. Filter by assigned to you, assigned to others, or overdue, and click any task and you'll jump straight back to where it was created. You can even see its whole history, who created it, completed it, or changed anything along the way. So that's how it works. Quick, easy, and right where you're already working. But here's why it actually matters. Up until today, when a conversation created work for you, you basically had two options. Log it somewhere else, like a CRM, a spreadsheet, or a separate task app, and then spend your day bouncing between those two tools, hoping they stayed up to date, or improvise inside of Quo. Mark the conversation unread, pin it to the top, and just hope you remember. Either way, things fall through, and you don't usually realize until the customer follows up asking what happened. Tasks keep the work and the context in the same place. Your team can see what's open, what's overdue, and who owns what, without a separate tool and without chasing anyone down. And if you're seeing this, it's live right now. So go try it and let me know what you think.